So here I want to explain about the question number 3. So this is the question, and to answer the question, first thing that we must do is define it to the Excel. Define the known data to the Excel, and because we asked to use a 5% level of significance, then that means the alpha that we use is 0.05. After that, we already know it from the question, this data. So the second thing that we have to do is search to find the EI. EI is defined by this formula. So it is like this. So I divided into 2 like this, so that it will be easier for me to calculate it. So the first one is for the male groups. We got the result of EI like this. So the total of A divided by the total of A times So the total of A times the total of male divided by the total of all. So like this, and then for the B is the total of B times total of male divided by total of the overall. After that, so on and so on. And for the female, it is also the same like that. So the total of these times total of female divided by total of the overall data. And then we got the result like this, right? So the third thing that we have to do is define it by this kind of table. So how do we define this into 8 columns? So first one is OI is to define this data. Jadi 35, 150, 100, dan 15 didapatkan dari data ini, dari data si male. Sedangkan 30, 180, 80, dan 10 didapatkan dari data yang ini. Lalu EI itu didapatkan dari data yang ini. Karena saya menulis male duluan, maka ditulislah yang bagian male dulu, lalu baru bagian female-nya. Kemudian kita menghitung ini dikurang ini. Jadi untuk mencari ini dikurangi oleh ini, kita dapatkan totalnya seperti ini. And then this squared it into like this, and then to find the x square defined by this formula. So this divided by this. So we got the result of the total of x squared is 6.33. After that, x squared is the chi-square test. So after that, we have to define the critical area and criteria test. So I wrote it already in here. So H0 is if there is no significant linear relation between sex and social class, and H1 is the otherwise. So we define the critical area and criteria test. Alpha is 0.05, V is 3. So we got the result of V is, jadi karena tadi datanya kan ada 4, social class-nya ada 4, sedangkan seksnya ada 2 kan. Untuk mencari V-nya itu adalah, jadi rows, jadi jumlah rows-nya, barisnya dikurangi oleh 1, lalu dikali dengan jumlah kolomnya dikurangi 1, maka akan didapatkan hasil 4 dikurang 1 dikali dengan 2 dikurangi 1, maka hasilnya menjadi 3. Lalu and then for the x squared table, so we got this result from the table. So because the alpha is 0.05 and v is 3, so this is the result, 7.815. And and then if we got the result bigger than this, so we have to reject h0, and if we got less than this, so we have to accept h0. Because we got the x squared is 6.33, which means less than x squared table, so we have to accept the h0. So there is a relationship between sex and social class. So that's it for the question number 3.